Connecting your Sony WH1000XM6 headphones to a PC can feel a bit confusing at first, especially since computers don't always give you the same instant pairing experience as smartphones. You might turn on your headphones and expect them to show up right away, but sometimes they won't appear unless they're in the correct pairing mode. On top of that, Windows Bluetooth settings can seem a little tricky if you're not familiar with where everything is located. The important thing to understand is that once you complete the first connection properly, your headphones will automatically reconnect every time you use them. It's a one-time setup that only takes a minute, and after that, you'll get smooth wireless audio for music, calls, and more without any extra effort. Try these. Step 1. Turn on your Sony WH1000XM6 headphones. Step 2. Press and hold the power button until you hear pairing or see the LED flashing. Step 3. On your PC, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Step 4. Turn Bluetooth on and click Add Device. Step 5. Select WH1000XM6 from the list of available devices. Step 6. Confirm the connection and set it as your default audio device if needed.